Good morning, students. I am Gunjan, your science teacher from the Wisdom School, Sirsa. Welcome to my online classes. We are in grade 5. So, yesterday we learned about the topic reproduction. What means reproduction? Reproduce to create more of their kind, means new generation comes by which process? Reproduction. For example, we are talking about plants. Through the parent plant new baby plant come. Okay, this is reproduction. Okay, so today we will discuss about many methods of reproduction. For example, in plants, reproduction takes place from the seeds, any part of the plant like root, like stem, or another third thing is from the spores. Okay, see in your book, reproduction of plants. Okay, here from seeds, from different parts of the plant like root, stem and from the spores. Today we will discuss about from the seeds. As you know, many plant bears flowers. Okay, and through the flowers what comes? Fruit. Do you know what is inside a fruit? Think. Raji, inside a fruit there are seeds. For example, you see orange. Orange is a fruit. In orange there are few seeds. Okay. Next one is suppose date, mango. In this there are one seed only. Okay, so fruits have many seeds also, one seeds also, and a large number of seeds also. Okay, large number of seeds also. For example, watermelon. You see watermelon. Okay, there are number of seeds. Okay, now do you know what is inside a seed? Seed के अंदर क्या है राजी? Suppose you take a seed. Suppose you take few seeds of pea. आपने कुछ seeds लिए राजे pea के. Okay, soak it for 3 to 4 days. Okay, what do you see? After some days you see the seed becomes very soft. Seed coat. Now what is a seed coat? See this figure. The outer layer which protect the seed is known as seed coat. For example, our internal organs are protected by our skin. Okay, like this, seed is protected by the seed coat. When you soak some seeds of pea, you see the seed coat become very soft. कुछ दिन के बाद आप क्या देखते हो कि जो सीड कोट है, आउटर कवरिंग है राजे, वो क्या हो जाती है? काफी सॉफ्ट हो जाती है. एंड व्हाट डू यू सी इनसाइड द सीड कोट? इनसाइड द सीड कोट देयर आर सीड लीव्स like this. These are seed leaves, which is also known as cotyledons. Okay, now question is, how many seed leaves inside a seed? Okay, suppose if there are 2 seed leaves. Okay, for example, you see kidney beans, राजमा. आपने देखे होंगे राजे, खाए भी होंगे. तो inside the kidney beans like this shape. Okay, there are two seed leaves. So this is known as dicot seed. Di means two. Okay, two seed leaves. Example is kidney beans. Suppose if there is one seed leaf, okay, then this is known as monocot seed. You see the gram seed. In this there is one seed leaf. Okay, so two type of seed. First one is dicot seed and second is monocot seed. Okay, so today what we have done till here. Okay, reproduction you learned in our previous lecture. Today we discuss about reproduction from the seeds. Inside a fruit, क्या होता है राजे फ्रूट के इनसाइड में? सीड्स. ओके, सीड्स, different seeds are there. Suppose one seed is there, two seeds are there, many seeds are there, most of the seeds are there, many fruits are there. Okay, and inside the seed, what is there? Seed leaves, which is also known as cotyledons. Okay, then there are two type of seeds, dicot seed and monocot seeds. Okay, I hope students you understand this. Thank you students.